Hi, boys and girls. For math the last few days, we've been taking surveys and we've been working with data or data. Data. It can be said either way. And we've been organizing that information into a graph. Graphs are something that we can look at and they just kind of give us a quick picture of what the data says. Now I realize though that maybe survey is a word that you weren't really familiar with. So I wanted to go ahead and just sort of give you a little bit of information. When I was little and we would go to the mall, do you guys go to the mall over here? Oh, okay, good. There were always these people and they would have paper and a clipboard and a pencil and they'd be like, "Excuse me, can I talk to you for a second?" And some people would say yes and they would talk to them, and some people would say no. And what those people were often doing was taking a survey. They were asking people their opinions, how they felt about things, so that they could make good choices. Okay? So for example, let's say that I decided I'm going to color my hair. And I am trying to decide, do I want to put pink hair, blue hair, or purple hair? I might call my mom and say, "Hey mom, should I make my hair pink, blue, or purple?" And my mom will say, "Oh, definitely blue." So blue gets 1 tally mark. I'm going to go ahead and write pink and purple. All right, so then I'm going to call my best friend Sky. "Hey Sky, what color should I make my hair? Blue, pink, or purple?" And Sky's going to be, "Well, you know I love blue. Make it blue." Like, all right, another vote for blue. And then I would call Claudia, my oldest niece. "Hey Claudia, what color should I make my hair? Blue, pink, or purple?" And Claudia would say, "Oh, definitely pink. It's my favorite color." So I would put 1 tally mark there for pink. And then I might call my old roommate from college. "Hey Melissa, what color should my hair be? Blue, pink, or purple?" And she's going to go, "I loved it when your hair was purple," because I did once have purple hair. Vote for purple. All right. And I would just keep asking people, and then I could look at the data, the information, and I could make a choice. Now, when I look at it like this in tally marks, it's a little harder to see. But if I make a graph, and I say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, B for blue, P for pink, and PR for purple. So blue got 2 votes. So here's 2. I'm going to draw a line up. Pink got 1 vote, and purple got 1 vote. So right now, if I look at my graph, more people chose blue. And that's sort of what you're doing. You're just taking information and you're organizing it so that you can look at it and understand what it says. Now, I will tell you, we don't necessarily make graphs just for what color to dye our hair. You can give a survey and ask people questions like, "Which is your favorite show?" and give them a few choices. But a lot of times when we do graphing and we collect data, we do it for our jobs or so that we can grow a business. So for example, and I actually need to figure out where it went. Sorry guys, I was teaching this lesson earlier and my iPad died. This survey has already been filled in and it shows that 10 people like burgers best and that 8 people like chips, 4 people like corn, and 5 people like pizza. So let's say that I am out and I am with the clipboard and I am asking people, what are your favorite things to eat? I might be trying to decide which restaurant to open. So if you look at this data, would you open a hamburger restaurant or a pizza restaurant? Well, obviously more people like hamburgers, so for this data, you would definitely want to open the hamburger restaurant. Down here on the bottom, I want you to use this data, and I want you to fill it in. We have 10 burgers. You need to color 10 bars and match the corn, the chips, and the pizza. Now today, you do have 2 pages that look like this, that have colors: red, orange, green, purple, and yellow. And then there's another page that looks like this that goes with it. We will not do this page. Please do not do this page. It's supposed to be like this, but because it's going to be a little harder for you to do this math, don't worry about that page. This particular page has to do with Skittles. It's asking you to sort and graph how many Skittles are in a bag. The problem is, I know you don't have Skittles at home. If you do, you're lucky. I don't like Skittles, so I didn't want to spend my money on Skittles. I think, bleh, no offense. I know everybody likes their own thing. So what I did remember is, oh my goodness, I have pop beads. And the pop beads are in the same colors as Skittles. So I went ahead and I got some pop beads. Well, what I need to do is I need to look how many R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. Well, there's 1, 2, 3 red beads. So I'm going to put those 3 reds I've already counted, and I need to make 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3 reds, and then I'll color 1, 2, 3 reds. Then how many orange? 1, 2. 1, 2. Color 2 boxes. Now, here's the thing. I know you may not have Skittles, but do you have Legos? Do you have anything that comes in these colors that you could sort? If you do, use those, okay? If your mom or dad or grandma or auntie says it's okay that you can have a bag of Skittles to do this, that's great for you too. But this is basically sorting some items by color. You can choose which ones you want to do. Now, that is not everything there is, though. We also have an animal race. Now, some of you are going to be going, what do you mean race? Well, I'm going to spin. Oh, it landed on the rabbit. So I'm going to color the rabbit. And then you're going to spin to see what the next animal is. The first animal that makes it over here all filled in, you can call this the finish line, is the winner of the race, okay? So go ahead and spin until you have a winner in your race. And then don't forget to do your addition and subtraction practice to keep those brains sharp. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.